There's a giraffe on the wall here.
Hmm?
You ran past it. Giraffe.
Oh, so there he is.
Alright, I'm going up to the roof. See ya. I found a person.
Ah, what the?
You have to lift the barrier first.
Oh,
Do
okay.
those dolls control it?
Don't know what I'm doing.
Whee! I think we're gathering these people?
Oh, I could do that. There's one over here.
That one up here? Well, I just fell to my death, so that's great.
Oh, I found the conductor.
Nice. I'm seeing if there's one up here, because I see something up here.
I found the person who pulls the lever.
Well, hold on.
Oh! I live here now.
Looks like it's working. I bet there's more.
How can I tell? I'm in a freaking whatever doll.
Fresh air.
Matryoshka or something?
Russian stacking is what I call it.
Alright,
what am I doing wrong here? See, this guy blows a whistle, this guy pulls a lever, this guy leans forward and is ready to make out with someone.
Sorry, the lever guy is actually supposed to go here.
Oh, okay.
Because you see the lever he has is incomplete, and there's a gear here.
Where's make out person go?
That I don't know. I mean, we have these.
I'm gonna put whistle. Oh wait, no, this is next to each other. Let's.
I guess maybe that woman. Ah, the sparker
spark
man.
fly.
Now we just need someone to work the gate.
And that's what this guy's for. Hang on, can I stand still? I wanted to see if I could drop it on you. A lot of effort for something we probably could have lifted.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
This doesn't look like the way to the castle.
Told you to trust me.
Dinosaur.
Is that a dinosaur?
Yeah, we're in Dino Land.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Sure is. And it takes us straight to the castle.
Not gonna explore Dino Land?
A sleeping dinosaur. What happened to your straight to the castle route?
I didn't put the dinosaur there.
Oh, whatever. Let's just find a way to clear the track.
What?
It literally goes into its mouth. It's not even on the track. It ate the track.
Maybe
Holy
that one
fucking shit, it's a dinosaur, Jesus Christ. Alright.
Didn't do the last part.
What the fuck?
There you go.
Oh my fucking god, fucking dinosaur, holy shit.
So am I the only one who thought, can I just ground pound on this head? On the dinosaur's head? Because it won't let you get on it. It's an invisible now.
Ah, damn.
It's a lot of open space right here.
Yeah, okay, so what do we do with this thing?
Oh. There's
It's
a lever.
mine. You take the red one on the platform.
Yeah, how do I get up there?
Here, get on the dinosaur head.
Nope, slides me off.
Okay.
Oh,
what is this?
I mean, that's where the red guy is. You're biting it. Oh, okay, okay. Why do I need to ride this guy then? He's not gonna move any platforms. Ah.
Well, shit. All right. Can you do that one more time? Okay. Yeah.
Ah, and because you're holding it, it doesn't flip. Really expecting it. I was really expecting it.
Nah. Oh, okay.
Carry me! Hang on, what's this for? Why would I do... Why is this here, then? Why is this here? Alright, let's see.
Hold on, wait. Come back here. Oh, wait, I guess you don't need to, do you?
Well, oh no, because there's another one there.
Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, go ahead.
And now I can't get back up.
Now one more time.
Ooh,
Okay.
grab this one.
Once more.
Grab this. Grab this one.
Oh, right. Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
You gotta lift me up. I feel threatened.
Don't worry about it. Maybe worry.
I don't feel safe.
Oh, what the fuck? Hey.
Dinosaur's fucking
Hold
dead.
Yeah, I totally saw that coming.
So I guess it's just you now?
Yeah, I guess so.
Hold on. Oh, that works.
Even though these spikes are so big that they actually wouldn't hurt me realistically.
I think you're gonna have to slide down.
Do something fast. Okay. Alright, can you drag me over? Thank you. I'm much more athletic without the dinosaur weighing me down.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to move the wall you're on. Interesting. You could just go down there.
Oh, I thought I had to go up there. Okay. Whee! Why is there's a lever up there? There's a lever. Oh, you're bringing me up. Okay. I was like, secret thing, secret thing.
Bonk.
Oh. Sorry, Mr. Dino. Nothing personal. Whoa! Dude! Maybe try a mint, okay? Just out of courtesy. All right, coming through. Whew.
Eat us!
Cody, why do I smell smoke?
Smoke? I don't smell anything. Your nose has always been sensitive.
Yeah? Why do I see fire ahead?
It's just a volcano. We were kind of in one already.
Also, we literally went through a fireball and nothing happened, so...
I'm sure we're fine. See, I'm sure we're fine.
That was a dead
Is that
guy.
a skeleton?
Yep, that was good old Dan right there.
Is that the Kraken over there?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, take the other one.
Ah, a hamster boat.
This? Nice.
I feel like a hamster.
Yeah, well, look on the bright side. At least all the toys that I bought Rose are finally coming in handy.
Yeah, like that one over there.
Yeah, it's just a silly toy.
Yeah, right.
Oh,
Alright, so we're both driving.
what's right trigger? Ah, right trigger is a
it's the
cannon.
cannon.
Okay.
It's weird that we don't just have forward and back. We also have turning.
We both have to steer straight.
Yeah! I'm liking this firepower.
Also, it only shoots straight ahead. There's no aiming, so...
Yeah, I figured
We're
that.
out of here. Big move, incoming.
Get out of our way.
I like how we both agree, kind of unintentionally agreed to just constantly fire.
Yeah. Shout out to the fact that there's a desk lamp near all this water.
I'm sure in reality this water's just like a fucking tarp. So I'm sure it's fine.
It's just a what?
A tarp.
Yeah.
That's what, or like a play mat.
Give me a second. I need to adjust the volume.
Ah shit, I wasn't ready.
Oh, sorry. It's fine. What were they gonna do? Shoot us?
Yes!
They're not doing a very good job at it. We don't even need to communicate. We just know what to do.
Yeah, I noticed how we're not really ending up in each other's way too much while we're steering.
Like, worst case scenario, I'll aim for something and it takes longer to aim to it than I want it to. Now, Is this going to be the... No, it's not the Kraken.
Boss.
Oh, now we can't go through.
Hey guys, we don't have to do this.
Enemy
We
ships.
come in peace. Hey, I don't like their cannons.
Neither do I. Attack!
Get the fireworks. Actually, no, never mind, because we can just kill him.
Seafood.
Forward!
I'm trying.
Where are we going?
Just like Sea of
running into
Thieves,
something
ram
big.
them! Ram them! Ow!
Ram not working.
They're all just
Are
coming
we
up-
just gonna constantly try and go around this corner?
Yeah, they're just constantly going around this pillar, and we're just sitting here like, alright, what's up?
Nice.
I don't really know what the fireworks would have done, if I'm
Collaboration.
honest.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Here we go, nice quick turn, and onward. I think the fireworks are like, let me shoot this one?
I know they explode, but it's just like...
Yeah, okay, it's
I don't see what that would have done.
I think it's just extra damage. I think it does more damage
guess.
than our shots.
We never really let them get to that, though. So what's that ahead of us? Oh, it's a lot of fireworks.
Wow!
There we
I
go.
felt the heat of
I did not want to get close to that. Penguins!
We're cooking now.
Don't shoot them.
Straight into the icebox now.
Hey, little fellas.
Turn right, Rhino!
Refuse!
Okay.
Look, I murdered the piggy bank. I learned my lesson. Oh, there's a current here.
Okay, I see the Kraken up ahead.
You see the pointy sticks tied to the left?
Oh!
Look, it's a Kraken tentacle.
I see the sticky.
Maybe I'm just doing some stretching.
Oh, frick.
Storage toys.
If that happens again, try shooting it.
I was shooting, but I was also trying to back up.
If you back up, then we don't get close enough to hit it. We don't have much range.
Alright, it's the current that's keeping us from doing it.
Okay,
So
so
those are actually just one hit, aren't they?
seems like it.
No, let us go. Oh, why did you have to buy this stupid, ugly octopus?
It is not ugly in real life. It is super cute and huggable. Hey, Mr. Octopus. Don't listen to her. You are super cute. And you have such beautiful,
Like how because it has no mouth, it just looks like it has an unamused face. I don't really care. Off with you.
Yeet! I have no time
okay.
for peasants.
See? The art of flattery.
Stop talking, Goaty, and start shooting. We're stuck.
It's a whirlpool. Shoot our way out.
We're about to get smacked.
Honestly, forget the tentacles. I think we can. Never mind. I was remembering before when they did 2 damage.
What did it do just now?
5.
Oh.
I was like, we can out damage the tentacles.
I mean, technically we did.
They're not friendly, ducks. Keep
Uh-oh.
them away.
My computer just crashed.
Oh. Nope. Wow, puts us literally right where we ended.
Keep them away.
Cool, we have more health.
Get out of our way.
Dynamite ducks.
Yep. Murder Ducky, you're the one.
You're out of here.
You make bath time go kaboom.
Well, there was a mouth with a tongue. I thought it was just a snap. I think let's just outdam Jim.
Agreed.
Didn't hurt.
Yeah, you all right, mate?
My head's spinning.
Oh shit! Go forward! Go forward! Go forward!
Trying.
Ah shit! Turn! Fire!
They've got cannons too.
Jeez. Okay, yeah, I think our best bet would be just to shoot him in the face.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm starting to feel sick too.
Just don't throw up now.
Oh, shut up and keep shooting.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Another
Okay.
cannonball. Move.
Whoop. Narrowly dodge those. Where's the head? There it is.
Operating those things. Seafood.
Haha.
We win. Take that.
Victory.
Take that, Octodad.
Oh, what the?
Whew.
We'll be
Oh, I guess we're just continuing. Okay.
Don't ever buy Rose a toy with more than 2 arms again, okay?
Like I said, in the real world, it was cute and did not try to kill me.
So do you also just casually press it at this point? You don't actually mash?
I mean, to me, it's casually pressing. I think to anyone else, the speed will be considered mashing.
Holy shit.
Whee! How do we not fall off?
Did we also stop for you
Kinda
temporarily
like
right in front of
that
those
haunted
ducks?
house
Yeah, probably loading.
Remind me.
You were so scared.
You didn't like it either,
Yeah. The worst first date ever.
but we survived.
I just hope we survive this ride too.
Ah, there we go. Reminiscing. That's an improvement, I think.
Oh, what is this? The bridge isn't supposed to be up.
Gosh, it's winched by a balloon. Hey, that's Rose's
I do not
balloon.
like that.
Yeah, I hate that creepy balloon. Why'd you have to buy her that? Now we can't get to the elephant.
There must be a way to lower that bridge.
Love how most of the.
What?
Hey there.
Hey,
I was gonna.
I hate it.
Lowered for visitors to
Thanks,
the
I hate it.
Oh, good, we are visiting the castle.
Are you here to see the queen?
no. We're here to see the elephant.
Oh, which elephant?
Oh, Rose's best friend, Cutie. The elephant over there.
Well, that's the queen.
Huh? Oh, God, that's right. Yeah. Rose gave the elephant a crown. You know, a queen's crown.
So Rose made the elephant into a queen?
Yeah, I guess so. It's her favorite toy.
Oh, perfect. So now we're killing a queen.
Oh, pardon me. Killing who?
You
No,
just,
I said chilling. Yeah, chilling with the queen. We are really looking forward to chilling with her, right?
I see. Well, all visitors must prove themselves.
Okay, thank God they
worthy
bought it.
of the audience with
oh, yeah, imagine if the world turned on us.
Go over there and use it to pop the balloon. And then
I'm up
you
for this.
will be grown
Kill
up
the clown
to
face.
the cot.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah, let's go pop.
They all float down here. All right. So yeah, what I was gonna say is I like how a lot of the times whenever we find something, the response is, "Why did you buy her that?" What's this? Ah, okay. All right, you stay there. I'll hit the button and run over to my side.
Didn't even realize you were on your side at first. Oh, okay.
I'm looking around to see if there's anything else here real quick. Can I jump up here? Ah! You can't escape, you jack-in-the-box!
Look at all those blocks and wheels. I guess it's time for some hamster action again.
They all look connected to each other.
Well, let's find out.
Will that, if you hop out of that, will that
Let's
stay
go
in this
rolling
position?
then.
No, okay.
So while I'm transferring into this one, you're going to need to hop into the next one.
Yep, all right. So now it's here.
Hey, that's our ball!
Oh, right. Come on, let's get it.
How does she have all this stuff in her room?
Hi.
Nothing. Okay. Oh.
Hey, well, no, I was still aiming.
Wow.
I thought I was gonna grab it and start aiming you. Sorry. I thought it was gonna be like Sea of Thieves.
Ooh. Is that not what we're supposed to do? Oh no, wait, look, it lowered it.
Yeah, I think we are supposed to do that.
You get in this one.
Yeah, how do I get in? There we go.
Same button.
All right. I'm gonna. Oh, that. Okay, you're gonna have to time it, but I'm gonna aim for that one over there.
Wow, that was a long shot.
All right, a little higher.
Maybe I should.
Oh, come on! There we go. All right, your turn for the last one.
Okay, do we have to curve shot it or?
I think you can.
Let me see. I'm gonna see about going through the bars. Oh nope, you can curve.
All right.
You can curve. All right. Okay. Oh.
Your poor arm.
Yep. Okay. Yep. Curve. Oh, it was too high.
Oh, it was. Yeah, you need to aim a bit higher.
No, what I did. Okay, sure. All right. All right.
This time.
Okay.
Up there,
ready.
and now go.
All right.
Boing!
What the fuck's it going now?
I don't know, but Muscle Men just hit it.
Oh, what the?
No! Fire me over there, Rhino! I refuse to take the wheel! Whee! Fine. Oh no.
All right, man. Jump on.
There we go. Oh!
All right, easy now. Slow and steady.
I literally don't need to do anything. It's already in the middle.
Making me do all the work here.
You hopped on first. That's your fault.
I have the ball. And that throws it. Okay. Ball. Throw. Okay, this is fun.
We did it. And now what do I do with it? Oh, we got to carry it across here. Oh, wait, hang on. What'd you find over here?
Nothing.
Oh, I guess that's just a way to get across if you didn't want to jump and dive like I did.
I guess these don't seem to bounce. They just.
Hey, I got the ball. It's slingshot time.
Oh, what the? Okay, apparently some of them pop.
And it's just as startling as in real life. All right.
Yeah. Kill the balloon.
Together!
Why did it turn to face us?
It started to make a face, too.
Send my blessings to the Queen.
We will. Thanks for your help.
Yeah, thanks a lot. get to the castle.
Can we rethink the plan yet? Maybe you don't need to kill the elephant.
They're idiots. What are you doing?
I was just looking around.
I feel like we looked through pretty thoroughly. If there was a minigame, we would have seen it. I feel like there's probably going to be something like right here at the castle.
Alright. Where are we going now?
Cody, the tracks are ending.
Oh no! I forgot! I never finished building the... Ah!
That seems like an important thing. Also, you stopped right there.
It's fine, we
I
made
really, I saw, I saw the gold, the sparkly M, and I was like, McDonald's Forest?
Yeah, the gate must be nearby. Come on.